It is clear for that what is parameterized constructor? Parameterized constructor. That means it will have parameters or arguments associated with it. Again, we have class number with two data members A and B. In parameterized constructor, over here, we'll pass arguments. In the previous program, default constructor, these arguments were empty. Nothing was there. In the argument list or parameter list, nothing was there. But in parameterized constructor, it contains arguments within its parentheses, int x, int y. Now a is equal to x, b is equal to y. Whatever value we will send through main function, that will be copied to x and y and then will be assigned to a and b. So this concept is called parameterized constructor and initialization. And then display function will display the value of a and b. Now, how to call parameterized constructor? We have created an object n1, number n1, and in parentheses, we are giving the value 50 and 60. That means 50 will be copied into x and 60 will be copied into y on the creation of object. Number n1, 50, 60. N is assigned to 50 is assigned to x and 60 is assigned to y. Now a will become 50 and b will become 60. This is call of parameterized constructor. This is one way. This is called implicit call. This is called implicit call. And number n2 is equal to number 70, 80. This is another way of calling. We have created another object n2 and we are giving value in this way 70, 80 by writing class name over here. This is called explicit call to parameterized constructor. So there are two ways you can use either of them, and then we'll just display the output n1 dot display. It will print the value of a 50, 60 because n1 is associated with 50, 60, and n2 dot display will display 70, 80. After that, program will be completed. Now let's execute this program. Let me show you output screen. You can see here, output 1 is AB 50, 60 and output 2 is AB 70, 80. This was done by using implicit call and that was done by using explicit call of parameterized constructor. Okay. Now let's understand the next concept, which is called copy constructor.